What's the meaning of balustrade? Balustrade. Balustrade.
Balustrade. Balustrade. A balustrade is a decorative railing that runs along the edge of a balcony, staircase, or terrace. Typically made of wood, metal, or stone, it is composed of a series of balusters, small posts, connected by a handrail. The purpose of a balustrade is primarily functional in nature, as it provides support and safety to individuals using the structure. However, it also has an important aesthetic role, adding elegance and grandeur to the overall design. Balustrades have been around since ancient times, and continue to be used today in a variety of architectural styles, from classical to contemporary.